Welcome to another video. Now here we have given question h plus h plus h equals to h times h times h, and we are supposed to find the value of h. Now let's provide a solution very quickly to this simple math Olympiad question. And first thing here, we have to copy h plus h plus h, which equals to h times h times h. All right, here we have to do what? We're going to factorize h to get h 1 plus 1 plus 1, and this will be equal to h times h times h. And here at this stage we have h then times 3 will be, and remember that here we have power 1, that is what we call invisible power, and we have same base to mean that this will be h power 1 plus 1 plus 1. And at this stage we have 3h, which equals to h power 3. Then what we're going to do right here, we shall say h power 3 then minus 3h equals to 0. And at this stage we can factorize out h to get h squared minus 3, and will be 0. And here at this stage we have to say that h equals to 0, or h squared minus 3 is equals to 0. And here h is equals to 0, or h squared is equal to 3, to mean that h will be square root of 3, positive or negative. And here we have h equals to 0, or h equals to positive square root of 3, or h is equal to negative square root of 3 right here. And always you have to check if the answer we have given if it is correct, because we have given h plus h plus h, which equals to h times h times h. By simply pressing this one, we shall get 0 plus 0 plus 0, which is equal to 0 times 0 times 0. And here left hand side equals to right hand side, to mean that this value is correct. What about this one? We shall have positive square root of 3 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 3, which is equal to square root of 3 times square root of 3 times square root of 3. And of course this is 1 1 1 3 square root of 3, which is equal to square root of 3 times square root of 3, this is 3 square root of 3, to mean this one is correct. And of course here we have negative square root of 3 minus square root of 3 minus square root of 3, which is equal to negative square root of 3 times square root of 3 negative times negative square root of 3, right? And this will be negative 3 square root of 3, which is equal to negative square root of 3 times negative square root of 3, that is 3. Okay, and here times this negative square root of 3, which is negative square root of 3. And of course this value of h is correct. Then thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.